Welcome to the Chamet Agency Guide. In this video, you'll learn how to build, grow, and earn together. We'll walk you through everything you need to become a successful agent and scale a global team. Chamet is a global live video chat platform. Users connect through video calls, live streams, and virtual gifting. The platform runs on a virtual economy using diamonds and beans. This creates a monetization system where hostesses earn income, and agencies scale that income through recruitment and management. Here's how the Chamet ecosystem works. Users buy diamonds and spend them on calls and gifts. Hostesses earn beans from those interactions. And agents, that's you, build teams and earn commissions from their performance. The conversion is simple. 10,000 beans equals $1. As a Chamet agent, your role is to build and grow a network. You recruit hostesses, help them get started, and monitor their performance. You can also build a network of sub-agents and expand globally. This is not trading time for money. You are building a scalable income system. Hostesses earn money in three main ways: video calls, live streaming, and virtual gifts. They can earn between 1,200 to 6,000 beans per minute on calls. They also set their own rates based on demand and performance. The more your hostesses earn, the more you earn. As an agent, your income comes from two sources. First, direct hostesses. You earn a percentage of their daily earnings. Second, sub-agents. You earn the difference between your commission rate and theirs. The bigger your network, the bigger your income. Your commission level depends on your team's total revenue over 30 days. The higher the revenue, the higher your percentage. Commission levels are updated daily based on rolling performance. This means your growth directly increases your earnings. Let's break down how your commission is calculated. From hostesses, you earn a percentage of their daily earnings. From sub-agents, you earn the difference between your rate and theirs, multiplied by their revenue. Simply put, the more your team earns, the more you earn. Here's a real example. Your total network generates over $300,000 in 30 days. You earn from direct hostesses and from sub-agents based on rate differences. Even small differences across multiple agents create strong daily income. This is how you build passive income at scale. Getting paid is simple. Minimum withdrawal is $10, and payouts are available daily. Payments are processed through MetWallet. Depending on your country, you can withdraw via PayPal, local payment methods, crypto, or bank transfer. There are important rules you must follow. Do not recruit existing Chamet hostesses. Do not move hostesses to other platforms. And never take earnings from hostesses. Violations can lead to account suspension and loss of income. Hostesses must also follow strict content guidelines: no explicit content, no fake accounts. All users must be over 18, and all platform rules must be respected. AI moderation is strict. Violating accounts will be removed. The Chamet Agency model is powerful. It offers recurring income, unlimited scalability, and access to a global market. There's no inventory and no upfront cost. This is a performance-based network business designed for long-term growth. Start your Chamet agency today. If you understand the system and you're ready to build, this is your opportunity. Register now using the link on video description. Chamet Agency, registration.com. After registration, you'll access your dashboard to manage your team and track your earnings in real time. Now you understand the system. The next step is yours. Start building your agency today.